Hey guys, everything in this video is taken from Century 21 Accounting Textbook. Today we're going to do the Work Together 10-2 problem. So it's posting from a sales journal. Using the sales journal and accounts receivable ledger forms for Work Together 10-1 from Work Together 10-1, selected general ledger accounts for classic appliances are given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Save your work, etc. So the first thing we want to do is post the transactions from the sales journal to the accounts receivable ledger. So we're working with pages 239, I think just this one page, 239 and 240. We already completed this in 10-1, and now we want to post to the accounts receivable ledger from the sales journal. So we just go right down one journal line entry at a time. I have my calculator off to the side, so bear with me as I am updating the calculations. So the first one is for Lenny, and so it was September 2nd, Lenny Stanford. So let's go ahead and find Lenny Stanford. September 2nd. We never write anything in the item. The post reference is sales 9. Tells us that our debit was 1,696. And if it's two debits, of course I wrote it in the wrong spot. 1,696. Debit up here, debit over here. So we add, I'm going to take 2,189 and 36 cents plus 1,696. And I'm getting a balance of 3,885 and 36 cents. Good. This reference is 110, so we come down to the post ref and write 110 in the post ref. Perfect. This is where I was getting sales journal 9 from, if you missed that. Next one is Washington City Schools. The amount is $680. We're only posting to the accounts receivable ledger. $680 is the debit. The date was the 6th. Post ref is S9. $680 is the debit. And we're going to go ahead and add 680 to the 1,509 and 45. I'm getting 2,189 and 45 cents. Okay, then we bring the 130 down to the post reference. And we're on to Venus. Venus was the 7th. Post reference is S9. The amount is this 2,713 and 60 cents. Now we add these two together. Debit balance, debit balance. This is the accumulated, the up-to-date balance in the books. 390.34 plus 2,713.60. I am getting 3,103 and 94 cents. 120 is the reference. 120. Last one, back to Washington Schools. The date is the 15th. The post ref is S9. The accounts receivable debit balance 1,849. Add this number to this number. 2,189.45 plus 1,809. I'm getting 4,038 and 45 cents. Okay, post reference 130. We'll bring that down to the bottom. 130. All right, so we posted the individual amounts to the accounts receivable ledger. This way we can look and say, hey, Lenny Stanford owes us $3,000. Venice Cafe owes us $3,103. Washington Schools owe us $4,038.45. Okay, so we could just quickly look over that and say, hey, here's what people owe us. That's why we do these accounts receivable ledgers and accounts payable ledgers. Next thing we are going to do is total, prove, and rule the sales journal. So total, we'll write the date, typically the 30th or the end of the month. I don't remember how many days are in September. We're going to write total and then we are going to draw a line, just one singular line. Okay, add these up. 1696. All right, I'm getting 6,938.60. Make that a little better. Take notes of my line here. This is important. That means I'm totaling. Sales credits, I'm going to total those 1,600, 680, 560. I'm just adding up all the totals to get 6,689. Okay, and the last one, I'm adding 96 plus 153.60. 249.60. All right, we are going to double check this by coming over here, seeing if they prove. The accounts receivable debit was this number. Accounts receivable debit, 6,938.60. And then the two credits were these two numbers. We just pull them over. Sales credit was 6,689, and taxes were 249.60. Okay, let's add 6,689 plus 249.60, and I'm getting 6,938.60. 6,938.60. Wonderful. They equal each other. That means we did it right. Okay, they just want to double check. We did it right. And I'm going to double line that. They are approved. Okay, now we have to post the sales journal to the general ledger. 6,938.60. We want to find that in the accounts receivable. That was a debit for 6,938.60. I wanted to write it down before I forget, but we would do the 30th. Nothing in there. S9. The 6,938.60. And we'll do this number plus this number, 4,089.15. I get 11,027.75. I'm taking this debit balance plus this debit. All right, the reference is post reference is 1130. So underneath it, I write 1130. Say, hey, that's where that's posted. Then we do the sales credit. 30 is the date. No balance. Post reference is S9. The debit balance is, oh, my camera's blurry. One second, let's see. There we go. I made it this far. Sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, short intermission. Here we go. The Post reference is S9. And the, what was it, a debit or a credit? Credit, 6689. 6689 was a credit. 6689. 2 credits. Credits. We need to bring the balance out. Do not just copy this number over. This is a balance. It says balance. 185,196.31 plus our new number 6689. 191,885.31. Okay, post reference is 4110. 4110. Last step is to post the sales tax payable, $249.60. Sales tax payable, 30th, S9. Credit of $249.60. Add the two together, $2,484.18 plus $249.60. $2,733. We add them because they're both credit balances. Credit. 2120 is the reference. 2120 is the reference. And we are finished with the posting process. So we posted to the ledger and we posted to the general ledger. We posted to the accounts receivable ledger, and then we posted to the general ledger, and we finished out the sales journal of posting. All right, thanks for watching. Good luck on your own.